massive runs in long format is the one thing, but here are some players who played the long format and scored one of the most highest individual score in test history. Here are the list of top 10 players who put a massive runs in their name. David Warner is the only active player to be on the list. Warner scored 335 from 418 deliveries in the World Test Championship at Adelaide against Pakistan with 39 fours and 1-6. Warner remained not out throughout the innings and he won man of the match, and he also won the man of the series for 489 runs from 2 test matches. This was the 226th test happened between England and New Zealand at Auckland. A right-hand batsman Val Hammond made a record by scoring 336 with 34 fours and 10 sixes, and Hammond remained not out in the England first innings and the match was ended in a draw. Another highest score in the test is in Hanif Mohammad's name, our only Pakistani player to be on the list. When Pakistan was follow-on, opener Hanif Mohammad made 337 runs and gave team lead, and the target was 185 for West Indies. The match was drawn and Hanif Mohammad played for 970 minutes with 24 fours and 6 sixes, which is a record time till now. Sanath Jayasuriya's 340 made Sri Lanka to put one of the highest total in test history of 952 for 6. They scored this massive total against India, which is still unbreakable. Sanath Jayasuriya scored 340 from 578 deliveries with 36 fours and 2 sixes. Sanath Jayasuriya won the man of the match and Sri Lanka played till day 5 and the match was ended in a draw. Len Houghton's 364 boosted England's team total to 903 for 7, which is the second highest after Sri Lanka's 952 for 6. Houghton scored 364 from 847 deliveries with 35 fours against Australia, and England won by 579 runs with an innings, which is the second highest win margin in test history. Gary Sobers is on the 5th place. The 21-year-old in 1958 made a record by scoring 365 runs against Pakistan at Kingston. Sobers scored 365 runs against Pakistan and helped Windies to post 790 runs on board, and Sobers remained not out throughout the innings, and in an auction the bat was sold for 100,000 euros. Mahela Jayawardene's 374 from 572 balls in 2006 helped team to post 756 on board. Jayawardene and Sangakkara made a 624 runs partnership, which still tops the list. Jayawardene scored 374 from 572 balls with 43 fours and 1 6, and Jayawardene was awarded as man of the match. Brian Lara's one of the highest score in test score. He scored against England in 1994. He scored 375 from 538 deliveries with 45 fours, which is the most fours in the list, and the match was drawn in the final test match and Lara won the man of the match. Matthew Hayden broke all the record in 2003 against Zimbabwe. He scored one of the highest score of 380 from 437 balls with 38 fours and 11 sixes, which is the most sixes in the list. At Perth, Matthew Hayden was named as man of the match. Brian Lara is the only player to feature 2 times in the list, and in 2004 he surpassed every test individual's high score and written his name. He scored 400 and remained not out. Lara scored 400 from 582 balls with 43 fours and 4 sixes, and the test match was drawn and he won man of the match, but sadly West Indies lost the series to England by 3-0. To get all the updates of the stats in cricket, subscribe to our channel.
समझदारी के लिए दिल से शुक्रिया, आएंगे हम वापस।